I'm SkyTrak meteorologist Kelly Green, and if you enjoyed yesterday, you will love today. Another beautiful day on tap, mostly sunny skies. Winds will be out of the east-southeast today. Temperatures climb into the upper 70s, running more than 10 degrees above average with a high of 78 degrees in Richmond, 80 degrees in North Vernon, 77 in Lafayette, 78 will be the high in Greencastle, and 78 in Peru. Now, we do have some changes that will move in, but Monday will be a quiet day. Temperatures will start off into the low to mid 50s. Mostly sunny skies again Monday afternoon with temperatures climbing back into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. As we head into the afternoon on Tuesday, though, we may see a spotty shower or two as the upper level ridge finally starts to break down. We'll put a chance of rain in the forecast for Wednesday as well. Showers do become likely by Thursday, but the nice weather pattern continues with temperatures running well above average.